If it's Friday and I have my spacesuit on, you know already what it is. It's Virgin Galactic Fridays. Welcome to a brand new episode. Fasten your seatbelt and let's freaking go. I just love this intro. If you like this intro as well, then make sure to subscribe and ring the bell. This is very important. Smash the like button is also very appreciated. And we have 4 categories that we will speak about today. We will talk about the space stock. We will talk about the chart. We will talk about the short squeeze potential. And finally, the social media of Virgin Galactic. Fully packed episode with deep thoughts and complex thinking, how this can affect the company and the stock as well. So stay tuned and let's dive in. Yeah, what should I tell you, bro or sis? If we are looking into the space stock, then it's an absolutely banger, okay? So the month's performance is 48.55%, and I hope you are with me on this, because if you are longer than that, for example since September already, then you made over 104%. And you know, I just want to go into the last week because it was something that I would love to explain also in the stock chart analysis, which will come as a second category. But first, let's look into the chart. So here you can see clearly that once very near the all-time high, we gave a little bit up, but this is not because of Virgin Galactic. It was mainly because of the overall market. You know, lots and big IPOs happened, and this soaked in so much capital, specifically out of this more speculative companies as well, because there's a lot of traders that are just, you know, jumping from stock to stock, and now they are into DoorDash and Airbnb and whatsoever. So you can see here that the overall run is absolutely crazy, okay? Just in the first couple of days of the week, we got already 30% almost in just this investment, and the market cap at 755 billion. So 7.55, soon 755 billion, will us, you know, carry where the stock and the company should be. Think about it. There is stocks on the market and companies on the market, they have like a CGI of a concept, of a car, of a product, and not even did $1 in sale, and are more worth or triple that worth of Virgin Galactic. On the other hand, Virgin Galactic has, you know, already the proof of concept. They went already to low orbit. They are just in the finalizing of the product, and they have so many customers that they cannot cater all of them in the next couple of years. I mean, is this not a huge green flag for you? If not, then let me try to convince you in the next categories. So, Virgin Galactic on the way down. It's just another day where you understand, or where everybody can understand, the stocks not only go up, okay? Stocks don't go only up. On a Wednesday, we ended the day with 3.5% minus, and today, which is Thursday, just before the market opens, is minus 5% already. So you can see here that we have this definitely, you know, touching the recent high with 33.80, and then since then we are on the way down. But as you know, I have a couple of lines here for you, okay? So first of all, I think, you know, somewhere here is a really good resistance. So here definitely the stock could bounce off if we go that low. I believe that here is another resistance on the upper level. So you can see here nicely how we actually bounced off this upper level, because here, you know, it's a resistance. And then, which actually builds up also a new kind of resistance, a stronger resistance. So we need stronger power to cross the next time the 33, 34 levels. And then, you know, the all-time high, the 37.5 will be then the biggest nut to crack. On the other hand, you know, obviously here on the RSI level, we are on, let's say, also on a overbought situation. You can see here, I think the stock market just realized that, and you know, gives a little bit of steam off, which is healthy, guys. Please understand, it's not going only way up. It's not how stocks work. An arrow need to be pulled back before it goes straight forward, right? Remember that. So here's your pullback, and just enjoy the ride. If you like the stock, if you have cash, just invest more. I think that this is the way to go. The stock just getting started. You know, look at this. We still had a more overbought situation here in February, where I was even at 92.74. So it's not that bad, and yeah. I think that, you know, also here, as you can see here, it went out of the Bollinger Bands here. So it's just normal and natural for the stock to go further down. We have definitely as resistance here, as support, this 25, 26 levels, then the 50 moving average around 22 levels. And then we have also 18 here, definitely as a huge support for the 200 moving average. So I think, you know, let's dive into the next category. Let's dive into the short volume, the short interest, and the potential of a short squeeze for Virgin Galactic. Now, let's first understand what means short volume. We are looking into the percentage amount of the short sold stocks of Virgin Galactic versus all of the volume of the stock market exchange on that day. And there was something quite significantly happening, okay? So, or let's just talk general. So generally, you see here that we had mostly, you know, like 29, 20, 29, 28, 30, 29, also the average between like 27 and 30, I would say, was the short interest perspective. So this means that if you're looking into the short volume, this is the number of stocks short sold versus the total volume traded on that day. And if you're looking here, we had the quite significantly on the 9th of December, almost 26 million shares got traded on that day, which is, you know, huge. If you see the others, it's almost sometimes double or triple the amount that you see on a normal day. Now, the short volume was about average, right? Like 4, 5. So actually what happened was that we are seeing a huge bigger interest into trading space, and then the short volume was actually almost the same. So you can see here that that's why the short volume ratio actually went down so significantly. Now, let's talk about the potential of a short squeeze. The only thing that you need to understand, as higher your stock goes, as more people think, wow, I need to short this thing will never make it or will go back, okay? Same like with a normal stock going up. People are seeing a stock going up, they say, wow, shit, I need to be in this thing, so I will jump on the train. So what money managers actually doing, you know, is quite the opposite. So they are trying to understand, okay, what's going on? If a stock going down, and there is huge potential in the business and the business has a lot of value, then obviously I will be buying on the way down, right? And the same thing goes for the situation of short selling just the other way around. So as you can see here, I think that the short volume is at the same levels. It's got a little bit less than on the 7s, 8 and 9. I think also a lot of people got just forced to cover their short sellers position, because think about it, the stock almost went to recent all-time highs. Yeah, so obviously there were some people that were afraid and covered their shorts. Anyway, I don't think you can make a lot of money shorting these unbelievable companies. It's very, very hard, especially in this crazy market where everything goes up. So I hope you get a nice view on this category, and let's dive into the next one. So let's talk about the social media of Virgin Galactic. I think that this will be one of the most important successful parts of the success story of Virgin Galactic. Now, bear with me. If you are looking into the social media feed, you actually see that, the new astronaut suit for the pilots are maybe not the nicest one here. We need to work on that. Mine is obviously a little bit nicer here. But, just this sheer nice experience and the storytelling that is actually discovered by those pictures are being posted on all of the social media, you will see that this will be one of the most important part of selling to people. And we know selling and demand will be not the problem for this company, but don't think only about customers. Think about people, because in the end, if you want to have the stock on the higher place than it is now, you need to have more people willing to buy the stock, and the people don't know about the stock when they don't know the company. And exactly here is the point. So if you're looking here, they actually increased also how much they are posting the last couple of days, which is just fantastic here, where they put on this spaceship to the mothership as well, which is absolutely fantastic. And then here also, a small video about the spaceport and the preparations, and it's just, this beautiful video made. And then, that they are compared with a new Mexico state, which is also nice here with the logo of the state, I believe. And then, just installing the payload, which is also fantastic and is the next step in revenue streams for Virgin Galactic. So, as you can see, it's getting very, very important that you stay tuned on this social media feeds, understand what's happening there and how this can implement the stock. And I think that this is absolutely fantastic, and therefore let me here make sure that as soon as they post anything else, that I will be stayed in touch. And don't forget, guys, follow me on Instagram as well. This is my Instagram feed, so there's a lot of things happening as well. I sometimes reveal some things and sometimes, say something about the stock or the stock market in general. So stay tuned and let's go.